Hello guys and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Discord screen share lagging. So first, let us look at the engine room, which is going to be our user settings. After that, you open up your voice and video settings right here. And in here, guys, you need to check a few settings. So firstly, you need to toggle hardware acceleration. So just scroll and find this option. Alright, my bad, it's actually in the advanced settings, so make sure that it's enabled. And then also you need to look for AV1 video encoding. So if you have an RTX 40 or 50 series, or maybe you're on the RX 7000 on the AMD, keep this on for better quality at lower bit rates. Okay, and after that, let us just go ahead and open up the Discord's its own shortcut. So you go to Properties, then you go open File Location, and in here, just as you can see where we have Discord, you just need to make sure to find the executable for it. Let me actually use this app. So Discord exe, okay, and just make sure that you run this app as administrator. All right, so just right click, Properties, Compatibility, and Run as admin. Apply and OK. And these are the fixes, guys. Hopefully this sorts you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks as always.